Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. After tapping on it in this right section you will have all of those informations, and now all we have to do is to find a build number or version number. So to do that we have to open software information, let's tap on it, and now try to find build number. As you can see, it's right here. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, and after that you will activate the developer options, which are, as you can see, at the bottom of the list right under the About Tablet. So let's simply tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is really long. So for example, you can show the text ID, you can turn it on and off just by using the switcher. You can force the different layout direction. As you can see, it's of course totally up to you, and the same situation, just use the switcher to turn it on or off. You can, for example, show pointer location, so if you wish to see the full track of the pen or your finger, then this is how to do it. Here you've got the options which are connected with the networking overall. So as you can see, a lot of things to customize, and I just have shown you what to do if you've got the option with the switcher. If you do not have one, no worries, just tap on the option to open more options to choose from, so it works just like in the regular settings. So if you wish to turn off the developer options, just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and in this left section the developer options are no longer available under the About Tablet. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.